My video will help you to remove a fake or human verification alerts that are related to the site Captchatoday.top. Captchatoday.top is a new malicious site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. This site Captchatoday.top tries to make you click on a special allow button supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. However, to click on allow is extremely dangerous, of course. This would hijack your browser with plenty of advertisements that will be attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. If you've clicked on allow, definitely it was a mistake and it needs to be fixed. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So pay attention to all these websites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites in case you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer in a hidden manner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.